Hi folks, it's an early start. It's 6:30 in the morning. The guys have just been let in to start skimming, and I think I might have woken up the kids already, which is not a good start. Anyway, stick around and we'll see how we get on. I think I better make it up to the kids and make some pancakes. Right, it's 11:15. The guy's been here 4 hours and the whole lot is done. It is such a nice feeling to get some tradesmen in, to get pros in to do a job. It just sometimes as a DIYer gives you a little boost. I mean, I could have probably tackled this myself, but I would have still been halfway through one wall and messing around with buckets, and you know, when they just come in and absolutely nailed it. So 4 hours, 2 guys, so 8 hours, basically a day's work, but it's, you know, halfway through Saturday morning and they've done it. Now I bet this is a little bit alien to some people, bearing in mind that a lot of countries and places will just use drywall. But here in the UK, skimming is still kind of pretty common practice, although drywall's used as well. But as far as speed goes, really, it doesn't save you any time just doing the joints. The skimming gives you, you know, that great finish all over, maybe a little bit more durable. And it's also ready to paint. There's none of that sanding. So, yeah, I mean, I was always thinking that drywall must be quicker, but when you see people come in like this and give it a good skim, it's probably slightly quicker actually. And a few days' time, most will be ready to paint, and it's all done and dusted, or not dusted, because there's no drywall dust to mess around with. And then of course in the UK, especially a lot of our homes, especially renovation type homes, are solid walls or brick walls. So skimming is the standard option anyway. I think drywall is being used more and more, but for renovation it's still pretty common practice. It's always hard to get an idea of how smooth it is unless you're actually here in person, but it's a really nice finish. And there is a risk you can polish it up too much and it's no good for the paint. The paint doesn't actually key to it as well. But you know, what you want is just that level surface. So there we go. Massive achievement today. Thank you to the guys for coming in so early on your Saturday morning. Next job for me is going to be to take this insulation board out and cut out the concrete blocks at the bottom so we can bring our workshop back in here. I also need to get the floating floor installed before I do that, because basically as soon as I bring anything in here, the floor becomes near on impossible. So if I can crack on and get the flooring done today or tonight, then I can bring everything back in, set up a temporary workshop in here. The window is outside, it's ready if I want it, but I think I'll probably just put an insulation board in here, and then I'll fit the window when we can chop out the block on the other side. So there we go. Let us know what you think. I'm a very happy man today to get to this point. Anyway, it's time for a family weekend. So thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself, and we'll see you next time.